So, who'll go home with the points here today? Well, we've just got the team sheets in. Let's see how they'll line up. The home team has gone with this lineup. And here is the away team formation. And we're off. This should be an entertaining game. Captain on the ball. Vidal. Moving down the flanks here. Oh, determined challenge there. He must score, and this is a world-class finish. Here's a replay of that great goal. The players have finished celebrating and we're back underway. That's nicely played. Di Maria, he's knocked it long. Bale on the ball. Oh, he steps up to steal the ball. Silva. Oh, it's a clear chance. Confident goalkeeping there. Cleared forward by the goalkeeper. Passed well. Oh, determined challenge there. Sends it forward. Vasquez. Oh, well timed. Well intercepted. He's unstoppable with the ball. Oh, he did really well there. And that's cleared up field there. Lewandowski. That's good link-up play. Oh, determined challenge there. Suarez. Well timed and good defending. He read that one absolutely perfectly. Oh, well timed. They're just looking to keep the ball. Oh, determined challenge there. Great footwork there. Oh, wonderful trickery. Oh, it's a clear chance. He got a good hand behind that. Oh, this could be costly. And that's a throw-in. The fourth official has indicated 1 minute of stoppage time. Ball's crossed the line, it's out of play. Throw taken long. What a chance! Thuram, good save. And out for the throw-in. Checks his watch and he blows for half-time. This league encounter resumes now as we kick off for the second half. And with the captain now. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack. The shot's on. Bale shoots and it's in off the woodwork. Here's a build-up to that great goal. And we're back underway, but how will this team respond? Captain on the ball. Vasquez. Oh, that's going to be a free kick. Looks like the referee's going to have words here, but He's going to keep his cards in his pocket. Oh, he went for the ball, but mistimed the challenge. Pulls the trigger. That's a safe piece of goalkeeping. Tackled by Pepe. Lewandowski, striker's ball. Oh, he steps up to steal the ball. That's nicely played. Oh, well timed. Oh, there's an opening here. Played short by the keeper. Defenders back on the ball. It's level. It looks like this team are going for the win today. Not a good disc. He must score, surely. Turan! And that is a fantastic goal. Let's see that again. A thoroughly deserved lead. You just knew that was coming. It's with the striker. He showed a bit too much to the opposition there. Oh, he's onside here. Is this the moment? Oh, here's Lewandowski. Quality goal. Fantastic work from the goal scorer and his team. A much deserved goal. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. Well, surely all he can do now is grab a consolation goal. There's not much time left, and it seems all over. Vanega on the ball. Vasquez. Oh, he did really well there. Passed inside. Oh, look at that showboating. He must score, and he hits it. His teammates swarm him, and rightly so. Great stuff. That was really well taken. Here's how they did it. The fourth official has indicated 1 minute of stoppage time. Let's see what difference the change makes. Well, it's becoming a bit embarrassing for the opposition here. Yet another goal from this brilliant player. Is this a goal? Bale shoots. There was only one outcome really. As soon as the player shot, he knew he was heading straight in. A great goal there. Here's how he found the net. And the manager's making a change here. It's just one after the other with this team. That's the final whistle. Great display of attacking football today. He's led by example today, and that's why he's the team's captain and today's man of the match.